You gain not only operational efficiency, you see reduction in denials, which means you're gonna reduce less of your AR off. There's less work that has to be done to resolve that. So you're removing so many additional layers out of the equation by having the front end process more optimized. And if you look at it towards the future, right? Automation, touchless registration, in a hospital, in a medical group, in an office. How do you get there? And you can't get there without a product like PAC that's able to say, we have the data, we can go out and pull this in, we can bring it, and we can validate it that it's the right information for your organization, and it's the right person. You guys have the connections because you are Experian. Not every organization has that, you do. One of the things that I have found to be uniquely beneficial that I've never seen anywhere else was when we were looking specifically at the MBI numbers is a challenge for a whole host of reasons. A demographic of patients needs help. So this helps solve that, but it also provided us an avenue to solve a problem that we have a hard time solving, and that's hospice. Hospice is not an Medicare Advantage plan covered service. It's covered through traditional Medicare. And there's a lot of complex billing guidelines that go behind that, but when you run eligibility through Medicare Advantage, it'll never tell you if this patient is active on hospice. So we get that back, and then we get a denial because the patient's actively on hospice, and the patient didn't ever tell us that, the family didn't tell us that, so we're not getting paid. And now we're having to jump through hoops, and hopefully we'll get paid once we get it all sorted out, but by then you could be up against timely filing. PAC was able to help us in our implementation say, okay, we're gonna run 2 queries at the same time. We're gonna check Medicare, traditional for you, and we're gonna pull back their hospice benefit, and we're gonna check their Advantage plan, pull back everything there, and we integrate them into a seamless transaction for you. Now you have that information in one transaction without having to run twice or even think about it. It's there, it's presented to us, now we have to operationalize that.